Ready to dive headfirst into the exciting world of Solana DeFi and unlock the power of Raydium using your Phantom wallet? First things first, ensure you have the Phantom wallet extension installed in your browser. If not, head to Phantom app and download it, creating a new wallet or importing an existing one. And be sure to store your seed phrase in a secure location. Now navigate to Raydium, and in the top right corner, you'll find a Connect Wallet button. Click it. Find the Phantom Wallet option, and selected permission prompts will appear from Phantom. Carefully review and approve them to authorize the connection. Let's execute a token swap. On the Raydium platform, locate the Swap tab, then choose the token you want to exchange from the drop-down bar in the From field, and search the token you want to receive in the To field. Enter the desired amount, double-check the details to see the rates, and then click Swap. Phantom Wallet will pop up prompting for confirmation. Review the transaction details, including gas fees, and if everything looks good, click Approve to finalize the swap. To provide liquidity, navigate to the Liquidity tab now. Click Add Liquidity, select the token pair you'd like to contribute, and specify the amount for each. Keep in mind, you need to have an equal value of both tokens. Again, Phantom will request confirmation. Review the details and approve the transaction. Remember that providing liquidity comes with understanding impermanent loss, where the value of your paired tokens can change in comparison to each other. And that's it. With your wallet connected and your assets flowing, you're now ready to explore various DeFi opportunities on Raydium. From yield farming to staking, remember to always do your own research before investing. See you in the next video.